Namaste guys and welcome back. Today we're going to do an intermediate session. So let's begin. First thing up, do a little stretches. So we're at our knee fold seated position. We're going to do a little twists after some breathing. So breathe in, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Quick twist, right hand, left knee, and twist. Exhale, look over your shoulder. Back to center, one breath. Switch hands, right hand behind your back. Exhale, look over your shoulder. Beautiful sun behind me. Back to center. Excellent. Do a little camel. So stand on your knees. And as you hold your back for camel, this is beginner's pose. But if you're advanced or intermediate, hold your ankles. And breathe normally. And in the way you came out, down. I want you to sit with extended legs. I'm going to breathe in, arms up. And we're going to fold forward as you exhale, down. And center. Remember, right now we're just stretching a little bit, warming up a little bit as we go along. So we're going to do a little bit of reverse plank. Put your hands to your sides, and as you breathe in, lift your hips. And down. Fold your knees. The reverse bridge now. Up. And down. Excellent. From here, we move to Garland. Pistol transition pose. One breath. Hands on the mat, all fours. Now that we are on all fours, we're going to do some alternations. So left leg stretched out, right hand in front of you. Hold and breathe normally. Switch. Switch. And switch. Last one. And down. Good to do some cat cows. So breathe in, look up, breathe out, chin to chest. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. This is our last one. Breathe out. And center. Do a little child's pose. So open up your hips a little bit and sit between your thighs. Stretching your lower back. And up. From here, down dog, so curl your toes and down dog. Push up, chaturanga, all the way down. And up dog. And curl your toes, down dog. Right leg to the sky, up to the center. We're going to do some sun salutations right now. So position your back leg in 90-degree angle, and you're going to do crescent, warrior one. Three breaths. Switch to warrior two. Switch to reverse warrior. Switch to extended side angle. Stretch your leg, your knee for angle pose. And slightly fold, come back out. We're going to move to the side and fold. Flat back, breathe in. Exhale, fold. Now we're switching to the other side. So bring your hands to the mat. Position your back leg, 90 degrees. Crescent, warrior one. Beautiful sun. Switch to warrior two. Switch to reverse warrior. Switch to side, extended side angle. Extend your knee. Position yourself for angle pose. Slightly fold your knee. Switch to the side. Fold. Flat back. Exhale, fold. Hands to the mat. Bring your feet together. Good job. Hands to the sky. And fold. Again, flat back. Then fold, exhale. Do balancing poses. And hands to your heart. Right now we're going to do some balancing poses. So first one is palm. Going to raise our right arm to the sky. Inhale, hold with the left, and bend. Breathe normally. Back up to center. Arms down. Left side. Left hand up, right hand holds it. Inhale, exhale, bend. Back to center, arms down. Do some tree poses. Right foot up above the knee, not on the knee, below or above the knee. Find your center. And up and down as you came in. One breath. Other leg. Remember, above or below your knee, not on your knee. Hands up. Find your center. Hands up and down. Now we're going to do the dancer. So we're going to turn our right palm out, hold our right leg, lift our left arm, find your balance. Up and down as you came in. One breath. We have another leg. Right palm out, holding your left leg, sorry. Right arm up, find your center, and lift. Up and down. Whew. Almost didn't make it there. Excellent. Great job. Arms up. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Hands on the mat. Down dog. Left leg to the sky. Up to the mat. Low lounge. Fold your knee. And we're going to do low crescent. Hands to the mat. Bring your knee up. Switch. Fold. Switch. Rotate. Move a little bit further back so you guys can see. Knee on the floor. Low crescent. Wow, beautiful sun. Hands down to the mat. Raise your knee up. Low lounge. Leg to the back. Down dog. Knee to chest. Three-legged dog. Knee to chest. Three-legged dog. Knee to chest. Pigeon. Position your knee, your leg. And you can stay here. Or if you're slightly advanced, try to fold your knee. Hold with your left arm. Right arm to your back. And down slowly. Pigeon extended. Fold your elbows to the mat. Get a nice stretch here on your pigeon. Slowly come up. And leg back with a stretch. Down dog. Right leg, left leg up. Chest up and chest. Three-legged dog and chest. Back to pigeon on the other side. You can stay right here, enjoying that sun. Beautiful sunset behind me. And down slowly. Elbows to mat. Giving your pigeon a really strong stretch. Up. Leg back. Down dog. Three-legged dog. Stretch your calf. Come to seated. On your ankles, the way we started. Breathe in. And bow down. Walk up. Bye, son. Hope you enjoyed this afternoon with me. Hope to see you next time. Let me remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and click on that little bell so you get notifications when I post a new video. And namaste. Have a good afternoon.